Hello everyone, welcome to Toyeen Talks. How you doing? Thank you for watching. Till I'll see you in my next video. Stay safe, stay blessed. I love you. Bye.
méje tá a bá sọ lójú àwọn ọmọ sí wọn ní nàlá wọn ní ṣọṣẹlẹ bẹ́ẹ̀ ẹ wo orúkọ tí bàbá yẹn build ó lọ iṣẹ́ ẹ fọhùn síbẹ̀ Gani Fáwẹ́hìnmí ẹ rí èrè ẹbí tí wọ́n gbé sí ó lọ iṣẹ́ ẹ fọhùn síbẹ̀ so ṣé dáadáa yìí náà ló fẹ́ bá kú lórí ọ̀rọ̀ ọjọ́ sí pọ̀ Mohbad gbogbo tí a ṣe tó gbogbo ẹ̀ ló ní rẹ́kọ̀dì ọkọ̀ wa parọ́ adé gbá àwọn ènìyàn ó wá fi yẹn ṣayò ẹkún ló máa gbẹ̀yìn irú ẹni bẹ́ẹ̀ o ẹni tó bá ti fi orúkọ Mohbad gbowó tó náà wọ́n á gbógun tì mí ogun ọ̀run máa gbógun tì yí o àṣẹ́gun bẹ́ẹ̀ kò sí ohun tí mo ṣe tí ẹ̀ mọ́nítọ̀ o so bí ìrìn àjò ẹ ṣe rí ní Friday nìyẹn o tí mo dẹ̀ mọ̀ wípé gbogbo àwọn tí wọ́n pè ló máa wá láti wá give testimony ohun tí wọ́n rí lórí ọ̀rọ̀ kú Mohbad ìbéèrè méjì ni mo béèrè kí ló pa Mohbad ọmọ tó gbé dání ṣé product mi ni ṣé ẹ̀jẹ̀ mi ló wà lára ẹ̀ ṣé ọmọ alọ́ba ni ṣé ọmọ ẹ̀dẹ́mọ́ ni mi ò lè postpone ìjà yìí o mi ò lè postpone ẹ̀. bó ṣe jẹ́ nìyẹn now ní èyí èmi fẹ́ dáhùn ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ìbéèrè ṣùgbọ́n màá nífẹ̀ẹ́ sí àwọn tí ò bá mi sọ̀rọ̀ rí torí à ń wá ọ̀rẹ́ kún ọ̀rẹ́ ni à ń wá ọ̀tàkọ́tà mi ò rí ẹnikẹ́ni bí ọ̀tá mi so a fẹ́ wá ọ̀rẹ́ kún ọ̀rẹ́ àwọn tó bá jẹ́ new face àwọn kan máa ń bínú pé wọ́n pè ń àwọn campus kan wà mi ò nígbàgbọ́ sí ṣùgbọ́n mò ń fi àkókò ìsọfún pé àwọn new face mo kàn gbé sókè àwọn old náà lè join you but mo fẹ́ bá àwọn tí mo tí bá sọ̀rọ̀ rí mo fẹ́ bá wọn sọ̀rọ̀ ẹ ṣé gan ni thank you. Hello, Barrister Lady.
Sorry, Ishtok, please can you come up, please?
Okay,
Ishtok,
Baba.
Okay.
Okay, Baba Tazan ló ń sọ̀rọ̀ sá. Ẹ káàsán.
Ẹ káàsán sà.
Ẹ pẹ̀lẹ́ sá. Àti ṣe pé kí n ṣe interpreter fún yín ní English nítorí fún àǹfààní àwọn tí wọ́n gbọ́ èdè Yorùbá. And so, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. All of you, we greet you for tuning in to listen to Baba Loba this moment. We want to appreciate you. Let me just try to do a recap of what Baba has said earlier. Yeah, Baba greeted everyone. He appreciates your presence and your support greatly. Baba went into the scriptures to narrate the story of Joseph and the butlers, the two butlers that prophecies came for. And he drew lessons from there, telling us that, when prophecies come, that we should try as much as possible to pay attention to it. And also that a prophecy came from the same source, but different to different persons. So he also appreciates some support from persons who have stood by him from the beginning of this fight. He mentioned Sister Buki Jesse and another Buki. He also mentioned Mr. Oba Aro also. And then Baba went further to appeal to those people who want to take advantage of this fight for justice for Mohbad, for self-aggrandizement, to enrich themselves. He appealed to them to desist, that it will not be the right thing to do. He asked them to change their ways. He also used the example of Judas in the Bible, and also Peter in the Bible, that you can see how many times Peter denied Jesus Christ. Peter sought forgiveness, and Judas never did. And we can all see how both of them ended. He also gave a brief regarding what happened, what transpired at the coroner inquest, where the nurse came in to give a testimony before the honorable court. He said, he narrated all what nurse said she saw when she got there, what she did, and how she got there, gave him the first injection, gave him the second and the third. And when she saw how Mohbad was responding to that treatment, she had to go to the pharmacy to get more medications. And by the time she got back, she saw them from a distance that they were putting the young man in the car. So Baba spoke glowingly as well about Mohbad. He said Mohbad was his joy. He said he loved him. He invested everything that he had in all of his children. He said he knows his children. He knows them very well. And he said it was one of the greatest shock of his life that he would have lost his son in that manner. Then Baba also, he said Mohbad was his joy. He also expressed his trust in the legal team as they are. He said he believed in them and he appreciated them as well. Also, he capped it all by reiterating and emphasizing and also saying it again that only 2 questions is he asking. 2 questions. He wants to know the paternity of that child, to be able to be sure that this child is what Mohbad left for him. He wants to know. He also said he cares to also know what happened in that house that very day. So these are the 2 questions that Baba is interested in. And as me, Tazan, in my view, I don't think there is anybody in this world that will fault this man for asking these 2 pertinent questions. I want to know the DNA. I want to know the paternity. I want to confirm the paternity of that child. And I want to know, I want answers as to what happened to my son that very day. So Baba now opened the floor. He said he will appreciate if the floor is given to those who have not asked him any question before. He wants to hear from those who haven't had the opportunity to ask him questions. He wants them to come up, ask him, and he will be available to answer them. At this point, I just would like to enjoin all of us, once you have been put up, please let us compress all our questions together, make it brief, and go straight to the point. And if you know that your question has been answered by previous person, by Baba already, there is no need for you to come up to ask that same question again, so that we can manage time and ensure that this conversation go on smoothly. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Miss Abike TV, can we have Miss Abike TV? You're welcome.
Yeah. Ekale Baba Mohbad. Ekale sir. Yes sir, ẹ kú ọ̀rọ̀ ọmọ sir. Yeah, èmi ò ní questions fún yín, but mo fẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ nípa nurse. Nípa nǹkan tí nurse yẹn tó sọ ní corona inquest. Bó ṣe yé èmi sí àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ tó sọ yẹn. Nurse yẹn, èmi fẹ́ gbà pé Tuesday ni nurse yẹn wá bíbẹ̀ yẹn. Mohbad ó ti kú látijọ́ Monday. Bí nọ́ọ̀sì yẹn bó ṣe dénú ilé yẹn, kì í ṣe Mohbad ni nọ́ọ̀sì yẹn treat. Kì í ṣe Mohbad ni nọ́ọ̀sì yẹn treat. Nọ́ọ̀sì yẹn jẹ́ ká mọ̀ pé òun ò rí àdúrà sí ojú ní gbogbo time tóun fi wà nínú ilé yẹn. Ó lóun ò rí àdúrà sí ojú. So ó dẹ̀ nígbà tóun fún ẹni tóun fún ní abẹ́rẹ́, ó lẹ́ni yẹn sọ pé orú abẹ́rẹ́ wo ni òun fẹ́ fún òun. Ó dẹ̀ tún ní pé ẹni yẹn ní ó ń dùn òun kóun yọ. Ẹ understand? So ó show pé kò kí ń ṣe Mohbad, because Mohbad ti kú látijọ́ Monday. Òun náà ṣe tan nọ́ọ̀sì yẹn pé káwọn lọ sí pharmacy, káwọn lọ gẹ́ẹ̀tì abẹ́rẹ́ DJ Bami. Nọ́ọ̀sì yẹn dẹ̀ tún jẹ́ ká mọ̀ pé gbà tóun dénú ilé yẹn pé òun bá omi nílẹ̀lẹ̀. omi tán fi ń mọ̀pù ẹ̀jẹ̀ tí ó wà ní gbogbo lẹ́lẹ̀ tó ti ṣẹlẹ̀ látijọ́ Monday, omi yẹn ni nọ́ọ̀sì yẹn bá nínú ilé yẹn. Wọ́n tọ nọ́ọ̀sì yẹn jáde lọ sí.
Miss Abike TV, are you there? Miss Abike TV, can you ask your question so that we can go to the next person, please? Miss Abike TV? All right. While we await for Miss Abike TV to ask a question, we would like to go to the next person, which is Miss
Okay, can I finish my submission, please?
Ladies and gentlemen, again,
Sorry,
please.
Tarzan, sorry. Abike,
Can I please finish my submission,
Yeah, you are
Mr.
going to say your
Olade?
please. You are going to please question, please.
Okay,
Just
thank
question.
you.
Just question. No need to narrate what happened. Just ask questions. And
Oh, okay,
please. Thank you.
okay, no problem.
Go ahead. Please, anyone, people that might not
Yeah.
be able to come up, please kindly send your question to my DM. We are gonna read the question there. If you can come up, thank you.
Hello, Daddy Mohbad. Can I go ahead, please?
Go ahead. Go ahead.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, Daddy Mohbad, ẹ má bínú sir. Ìgbà tí ní court, ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ṣé wọ́n sọ reason tí DJ Bami tí ò ṣe fún yín ní doctor's report yẹn. Doctor's report tí wọ́n fún wọn because wọ́n ever sọ fún wa látijọ́ yìí pé àwọn gba doctor's report. Ṣé wọ́n sọ reason tí Wùmí àti DJ Bami tí ò ṣe fún yín ní doctor's report yẹn?
Now, kò sí ẹni tó sọ̀rọ̀ nípa doctor report nínú wọn rárá tí ò bá sí ti nọ́ọ̀sì ń sìn ló jẹ́ ká mọ̀. Nígbà tí àwọn ọlọ́pàá náà ń ṣèwádìí lọ sí Federal Hospital, wọ́n ní wọ́n fún wọn ní doctor report pé ó ti kú kó gbé lọ sí morgue. Lẹ́yìn ọlọ́pàá àti nọ́ọ̀sì yẹn ló ṣẹ̀ jẹ́ ká mọ̀ pé DJ Bami ló tẹ́wọ́ gbà. Pé yóò fún ìyàwó ohun tí ò bá ti ṣe ojú mi ò kì í sọ. So ó jẹ́ ká mọ̀ pé wọ́n fún wọn, wọ́n dé advice wọn pé wọ́n gbé lọ sí morgue ọ̀tí ilé ni wọ́n gbé wá sí. So arabi tí èmi náà ṣe ń rọ gbogbo àgbáyé pápá wa wò wípé kí ló lè fà á lọ́bí gbé padà wálé. So ṣẹ̀mọ̀ pé ìyá Mohbad náà ló sọ pé òkú ọjọ́ mẹ́rin Jésù jí dìde, mi ò ní kò lè ṣẹlẹ̀, ṣùgbọ́n ta ló ẹ̀bàm tí ò jẹ́ kí Jésù jí ọmọ yẹn dìde? Ẹni tí ẹgbẹ́ tó ẹ̀bàm rẹ̀ ká mú báyìí. So gbogbo àwọn kinní wọ̀nyẹn, àwọn náà ibi tí wọ́n ti ń gbọ́n fẹ́fẹ́ nínú ìwà ibi wọn lọ́lọ́run ti tú wọn láṣìírí. Kí ló ń gbé òkú yẹn lọlé lọ ṣe? Hospital kìíní, hospital kejì. So nínú testament tí ìyàwó náà dẹ̀ ń kó ti pé after one nurse from the midnight my husband died. Gbogbo oríṣiríṣi àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ wọn yẹn kò sí èyí tó bára wọn mú. So DJ Bami lè gbà á, ó jọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ ló wà, ó yóò lè fún ìyàwó torí DJ Bami náà tẹ̀lé wa wo orí tá a lọ. Gbogbo náà lájọ wà ń bẹ̀. So ọmọ ló wà, wọ́n béèrè.
Ẹ ṣé gan ni Daddy Mohbad. So àti pé dókítà yẹn jẹ́ ká mọ̀ pé Mohbad ti wà ní stage 2, ó ti wọ rigomotive nígbà tí wọ́n gbé wá sí hospital yẹn. So ó show pé kò kí ń ṣe Mohbad ní nọ́ọ̀sì yẹn treat nìyẹn. Wọ́n replace ẹ̀ ní nígbà tí nọ́ọ̀sì yẹn jáde because tó bá yẹ pé Mohbad kú ní within 2 hours tí wọ́n gbé dé hospital yẹn kò ní wà ní stage 2. So reason tí wọ́n dẹ̀ ṣe mú doctor's report sílẹ̀, ó possible kí doctor yẹn ti kọ àwọn nǹkan tó wà lára Mohbad tí wọ́n observe lára Mohbad kan ti kọ sínú report yẹn, òun ni wọ́n ṣe mú sílẹ̀. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ sá mo fi Ọlọ́run bá bẹ̀ yín Daddy Mohbad, ẹ wò ẹ mú Wùmí àdúrà dáadáa, wọ́n máa sọ nǹkan tó pa Mohbad níjọ́ Monday. Ṣe rí chat tí wọ́n chat Mr. Yomi yẹn, òótọ́ ni chat yẹn, tẹ́ bá connect ẹ̀ mọ́ nǹkan tí wọ́n sọ fún wa pé Mohbad ó ti wà ní stage 2 nígbà tí wọ́n gbé lọ sí hospital tí nọ́ọ̀sì dẹ̀ wá ní Tuesday tó lóun fún ní abẹ́rẹ́ tó ní pé ẹni yẹn ó bá òun sọ̀rọ̀ that means kì í ṣe Mohbad ni nọ́ọ̀sì yẹn fún ní abẹ́rẹ́ wọ́n ṣe.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, Ms. Abike. Ladies and gentlemen, Ms. Abike was asking Baba regarding if it was ever established at the court why the doctor's report was not given to Baba during that time. And Baba explained that nobody even told him anything about any doctor's report, that he was even curious that why would they have to take the body home after the hospital had already advised that it should be taken to the mortuary. He also stated that even though Mama Mohbad was saying in a narrative that he could still have reason, Baba said he believes that Jesus Christ can perform miracle, but somebody obstructed that miracle from happening by embalming the boy. And Miss Abike, thank you very much for your question. Now we will have Miss Modupe Elizabeth. Please let us keep the question very small. Let's keep it very short and straight to the point so that we can move at a faster pace. Thank you very much. Miss Modupe, let us have you. Madam Modupe, can we have you? All right.
Yemi, please, can you go ahead, please? The next speaker, please. Yemi.
Yeah, Miss Yemi, you can go ahead.
Okay, sir. Good evening, Baba. Ẹ kú ọ̀lẹ́, sir. Ẹ kú ọjọ́ mẹ́ta, sir. Iṣẹ́ ọmọ àjìnà fún yín lórúkọ Jésù, sir. Bàbá ìjọ, ọ̀rọ̀ méjì mo kàn fẹ́ béèrè, sir. Nínú àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ tí Mọ́mí Rich Grace ṣàlàyé, ó dà pé à ń gbọ́ pé nọ́ọ̀sì yẹn sọ wípé àwọn àti lọ́ọ̀yà Mohbad àti lọ́ọ̀yà tòun gbogbo àwọn lọ sí police station láti gba report pé wọ́n á sọ fáwọn wípé police station bí táwọn wá yẹn kọ́ ló yẹ káwọn wá pé àjálù yẹ káwọn lọ ẹjọ́ bá wa tọ̀ mọ́lẹ̀ síbẹ̀.
mi ò mọ ìgbà tí àwọn lọ sí police station ṣùgbọ́n èmi mo lọ sí police station pẹ̀lú bọ́dì yẹn pẹ̀lú ambulance dàrósà ló pe ambulance lóru yẹn tó dẹ̀ wá wọ́n dẹ̀ yàrá ìjọ dé police station tí mo dẹ̀ kọ statement even mo ti sign ẹ̀ ọlọ́pàá kan tó wá mo sọ pé kó má kú mi so mi ò mọ ti ọ̀dọ̀ wọn bóyá gbà tí wọ́n gbé kúrò lérò lọ sí police station ètò èyí tí èmi ń lọ wọn ò fún mi ní police report a kàn fi ìgbàgbọ́ gbé lọ sí mọ́ṣúárì mi bàtà rẹ̀ dé mọ́ṣúárì lọ sọ pé wọn ò lè gbà láìsí police report and doctor report so ìta gbangba ni wọ́n gbé òkú Mohbad sí ní Ìkòròdú General Hospital ìyẹn ni mo fi sọ pé home forensic ó wà very very important lórí ọ̀rọ̀ yìí àbí kán sọ déètì yẹn kán lọ ohun tó ṣẹlẹ̀ ní General Hospital gbogbo irọ́ tí ẹlòmíín pa bàbá ló lọ́ra gbó sí bàbá ló ṣe gbáyé gbogbo àṣírí yẹn máa tú mo fi sọ pé kò sí nǹkan tí mo fẹ́ fi lọ ṣe ní tèmi ò bá dẹ̀ mọ̀ díẹ̀ mi ò ní sọ torí mi gbọ́dọ̀ fún yín ní bó dídíṣán lórí ọ̀rọ̀ ikú Mohbad ó ń ká ẹlòmíín lára jù mí lọ ní kò yá yẹ kí tí wọ́n bọ́ síta kí tún tà àwọn èèyàn ìyẹn ló fi ń dùn pé kọ́ máa tán bí mo bá rí wọ́n má sọ rárá so èyí tí mo rí nìyẹn police ò fún wa ní report bóyá ó dẹ̀ ti gbé lọ kémi tó dé o ètò tèmi tí mo rí ìrìn àjò tí mo rìn ní ẹ ṣé gan ni.
Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ bàbá ìjọ.
Thank you very much, Baba.
Mr. Tazan, please hold on, sir. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ bàbá. Àwọn interview tí girl yìí ṣe ní TVC, Arise àti BBC, ẹ jọ̀ọ́, if it is possible, ẹ jọ̀ọ́, ẹ jẹ́ kí Sam Shitu kí wọ́n bá wa listen sáwọn interview tí girl yìí ṣe kí wọ́n lè mọ irọ́ tí ọmọ yìí ń pa kiri. Torí ìwọ kan ló sọ lórí tí bí a TVC ọ̀rá pé nọ́ọ̀sì kan sùn pẹ̀lú yín mọ́jú kí nọ́ọ̀sì míì tó dé lọ́jọ́ kejì That's pé nọ́ọ̀sì tó sùn mọ́jú yẹn ló wá parí iṣẹ́ ni àbí tó dé lọ́jọ́ kejì. Because tẹ́ bá sọ torí o sọ pé your husband is fine until the nurse came. Ó dẹ̀ tún sọ wípé nọ́ọ̀sì kan sùn mọ́jú before the second nurse tó ń bọ̀ láti Kútọ́nù tó dé lọ́jọ́ kejì. Mi ò mọ àwọn tíṣà tó ń tíṣ ọmọ yìí o. Mi ò mọ àwọn tó ń kọ́ ọmọ tó kàn ń parọ́ lọ́sùn parọ́ lọ́sìn. Tó fún ẹ ní script oríṣiríṣi tó ń kà. Wá gbọ́ ohùn mi. Àti wọ́n ni o. Àti Ìyábọ̀ Òjó tó ń rán ẹ níṣẹ́ kíṣẹ́ jáde. Gbogbo yín ni náà Ọlọ́run máa jó. Gbogbo yín pátápátá tẹ mọ̀ sí kú Mohbad. Pátápátá gbogbo yín ni náà Ọlọ́run máa jó. Kò ní sí kan yín tó máa fara re lọ o. Ṣebí àwọn ẹbí ẹ náà ti sọ ní kóòtù nígbà tí kòrónà kọ́kọ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀ pé Ìyá Túndé ọdún mẹ́ta àwọn ṣì ń fà. Okay. Kò kẹ́ wá máa wo ibi tí Ọlọ́run máa gbà yọ sí yín. Ẹ ṣé gan ni. Mr. Tazan, continue. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, Ms. Yemi. God bless you. Ladies and gentlemen, Ms. Yemi was trying to know if Baba was aware of lawyers going to the station to get police report. Baba said he was not aware of anybody, that he only took the body to the police station. Now, ladies and gentlemen, let me quickly point this out, that in the deposition made by the nurse Feishara, she mentioned there in that deposition that her own lawyer and Mohbad's lawyer and DJ Bami went to the police station in their quest to obtain a police report. She also said in that same deposition that any question regarding death certificate, regarding police report, that those lawyers, especially lawyer Falade, will be able to explain better. Ms. Yemi also, she talked about all the interviews Wunmi has made in the media lately, asking that Baba should ensure that lawyer Sanshitu get a hold of all of that. But I can answer that, but that lawyer Sanshitu will leave no stone unturned in this matter. They are paying attention and they know what to do. Thank you very much. Official Bow, can we have you? Let us remember to keep our questions short and straight to the point so that Baba can answer us precisely. Thank you very much. Can we have you, man?
Hello, sir. Sir. Daddy, nǹkan tí mo fẹ́ béèrè ni pé nínú nǹkan tí mo fẹ́ béèrè náà, nínú àwọn lady tó mọ́mí tó kọ́kọ́ sọ̀rọ̀ yẹn, wọ́n ti béèrè question yẹn. Tá a bá jẹ́ pé a pa gbogbo nǹkan tí àwọn èèyàn yìí tí wọ́n ti sọ àti nǹkan tí nọ́ọ̀sì yẹn sọ, ṣé ẹ lérò wípé nítorí màá gbọ́tọ̀ sọ yẹn náà ni màá tún fi gẹ́gẹ́ béèrè o. Mo mọ̀ pé ẹ̀ sí bẹ́ẹ̀ dájú o, mo mọ̀ pé ẹ̀ sí bẹ́ẹ̀ o, ṣùgbọ́n òye ni àgbà náà máa ń wò. Tí ẹ̀ràn bá sọ̀rọ̀ pé nígbà tí Dàróṣà gangan ó sọ nínú kíní TCC ẹ̀ pé òkú pé dókítà sọ fún wọn pé ó ti wà ní stage 2 nígbà tán wọ́n débẹ̀. So ṣé ẹ lérò dádì wípé Mohbad kọ gangan ni nọ́ọ̀sì yẹn gangan attend sí?
Thank you very much, Mr. Official Bao. Baba will now respond to you, sir.
Ṣẹ́rí, èmi ò pẹ̀lú ìwòye tèmi, ó ní because nọ́ọ̀sì yẹn àlàyé tó ṣe ó jẹ́ ká mọ̀ wípé ẹni tó ń fẹ́ fún ní injection wọ́n ní kó bọ́ sí yàrá kejì, ẹnìkan ló fọwọ́ gbé ló fẹ̀gbẹ́ tì í, ó sì díje bá mi lọ sí yàrá kejì yẹn. Jẹ́ ká gbà wípé Mohbad then to treat, but stage tí ó wà kò yẹ kó jẹ́ auxiliary nurse ló máa attend sí. Ẹni tó fẹ́ fún ní tetanus
Nobody
injection.
drop me again. Oh.
Hello? Can you hear me? Hello?
Baba, go ahead, sir. Go ahead. Go ahead, sir.
now ẹni tí wọ́n fẹ́ fún ní just tetanus injection oníkálukú òun rí ọwọ́ yẹn gan òun ò ní wá torí pé òun ò tiẹ̀ treat ọwọ́ rárá torí ibi tí nǹkan kan ọ̀hán yẹn mo ní òun ò tiẹ̀ treat ọwọ́ rárá but bóyá tetanus lè wọ bẹ̀ ló ń treat ẹ̀yin náà wá wẹ́n tó sọ pé tetanus ló fẹ́ treat. ẹnìkan ló fọwọ́ rọ̀ so that means ó ti weak almost 24 hours tó ti need the nurse kò sẹ́ni tó attend sí but nurse jẹ́ ká mọ̀ pé òun báyàwó ẹ̀ lọ́dọ̀ ẹ̀ ni ó ń domine lórí òun ò dẹ̀ lè stop ẹ̀ wọ́n ní as usual bó ṣe máa ń domine lórí nìyẹn so ó jẹ́ nǹkan tí mo mọ̀ ń pa ẹ̀ ní tí yóò bá dẹ̀ yé mi kò yé mi ni bóyá wọ́n lè kò yé mi bẹ̀tún tó ń sọ tí mo rí dìmú bẹ́ẹ̀ ni pé kò yẹ kó attend sí rárá because tetanus injection ló fẹ́ fún yàn ẹni tí wá weak dé level pé kò lè dárìn sí yàrá kejì ẹnìkan ló fẹ́ gbé wọlé ó ní agbára.
Thank you very much, sir. Baba, thank you. The gentleman was asking if Baba thinks that it was a different person that the nurse was attending to. And Baba just said, basically, he wouldn't be able to say. He said, even let us assume that it was a different person, that the nurse was not supposed to even attend to that patient. It was an emergency case, seeing that he was being supported to go into a different room. Baba said, at that point, the nurse should have referred to a hospital. Thank you very much. Now we will have Mr. Ishak. Thank you, sir. Go ahead, sir, Mr. Ishak.
Ẹ kúrọ̀lẹ́ bàbá.
Ẹ kúrọ̀lẹ́ sir.
Yes, sir. Ṣé rí bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe dáhùn ìbéèrè tí wọ́n béèrè tó ń sìn inú mi dùn torí pé ẹ jẹ́ ká nígbàgbọ́ lẹ lò ẹ jẹ́ ká believe because táwọn yẹn náà ń sọ close ẹ̀ ó possible there is possibility but káṣá àgbà tí nọ́ọ̀sì sọ ká tiẹ̀ sọ̀rọ̀ lé lórí òun lẹ sọ inú mi dùn fún yẹn but mo fẹ́ béèrè nǹkan kan lọ́wọ́ yín sir ọmọ yín tó jẹ́ olóògbé mélòó lórí àti sí injection lójú yín rí tẹ́ ẹ̀ dẹ̀ dá omi lé lórí.
kò ṣẹlẹ̀ rí ẹ̀ẹ̀kan ṣoṣo ni Mohbad sick nígbà tí mò ń tọ́jú ẹ̀ o nígbà tó pé 7 years sickness tó dẹ̀ sick ní àkókò yẹn ó dẹ̀ pé typhoid fever ni ó vomit ó dẹ̀ pé nurse dẹ̀ treat ẹ̀ ó dẹ̀ wà lálàáfíà mi ò rí in that touch.
Mélòó ni àdúrà ṣé bàbá mélòó ni àdúrà ti pè yín wípé ẹ̀gbọ́n òun ó rí àti sí injection o àwọn da omi lé lórí.
kò pè mí rí ohun tó máa ń gbé mi wá sọ́dọ̀ wọn even meanwhile tí wọ́n kó lọ yẹn ẹ̀ẹ̀mẹ́ta mo débẹ̀ rí láyé ìjọ kẹta ni mo lọ gbé òkú ẹ̀yìn ẹ̀ẹ̀kan ni mo sì lọ visit wọn bẹ̀ ẹ̀ẹ̀kan ìjọ kejì mo lọ bá wọn gbé ṣíà so wọn invite mi pé wọ́n máa fún ní injection ó react no.
ẹjọ ṣé mọ́mì Mohbad bá yín sọ̀rọ̀ wípé bóyá wọ́n gbọ́ pé àdúrà rí àti sí injection wọ́n wá ń da omi lé lórí rí.
kò sẹ́ni tó bá mi sọ anything nípa ọ̀rọ̀ ikú Mohbad kò sí wọn bá mi sọ anything kò sẹ́ni tó pè mí ìyá Mohbad ò pè mí anybody ò pè mí so àbúrò mi ló kàn try láti utilize pé kí a jọ wà together but during that period ìyá Mohbad ò fún wọn láàyè torí ó ń jẹ́ ká sọ wípé tí wọ́n sọ pé wọ́n fẹ́ bá àdúrà sọ̀rọ̀ á ló ń sùn lọ́wọ́ aládùúrà ń sùn lọ́wọ́ so bó ṣe cover àdúrà títí ní káàjọ wà together ẹ ṣe gan.
last one sir ẹ jọ ṣé lẹ́yìn ìgbà tí Mohbad ṣe aláìsí ẹ jọ ṣé ẹ pè lọ́ọ̀yà ẹ̀ rí kẹ́ wá béèrè wípé gbogbo properties ẹ̀ àbí ẹ pè anybody nínú wọn wípé kán jọ mọ́tò ẹ̀ àti gbogbo nǹkan ẹ̀ àbẹ́ ẹ pè meeting pé kán máa bọ̀ lọ́dọ̀ yín pé ẹ fẹ́ ṣe meeting lórí property lẹ́yìn ìgbà tó kú.
sà
Sir,
ní ìgbà tí ó kú ṣé ń gbọ́ mi